Cryo-section procedure. Sample fixation, assembly, alignment, trimming, sectioning, pasting. Click on Cryobar on the Cryostat touchscreen to let the fast cooling spots cool down further. Remove the embedded tissue from the mold. Squeeze some OCT to cover the surface of the sample disc. Then place the embedding block on it. Put them on the fast freezing spot to frozen. When OCT turns a white solid from a clear liquid, the sample fixation is done. Lift the locking lever and snap the base of the sample disc into the groove. Then lower the lock lever. This way, the sample is mounted. Next, install the blade. Flip open the anti-roll plate. Unscrew the locking lever. Insert the low-profile blade into the slot. Then just lock the lever tightly. Alignment refers to the process of moving the sample head closer to the blade. Before alignment, unlock and turn the handwheel to lower the sample head. For easy observing the distance between the sample and the blade, toggle the joystick to move the sample head quickly toward the blade. When the sample is 1 mm from the blade, press the stepping button until the sample can just touch the blade. Tap the screen to switch to trim mode. Turn the handwheel to cut away OCT on the surface of the block, exposing the target cross-section. Switch to section mode. Set the desired section thickness and the desired temperature. Brush forward and remove debris. Cover the anti-roll plate. Turn the large handwheel to cut. The slices cut off will go into the gap between the anti-roll plate and blade holder. Flip open the anti-roll plate. Place a room temperature slide over the slice. OCT melts at elevated temperature when touches the slide, making the sample adhere to the slide. Labeling the slide to complete the cryosectioning.